Hi there, friends. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Alita Loresco with your Need to Know weather. On this Memorial Day, we do have some high chances for rain and thunderstorms, but that may not come into play until later on this evening. So most of the day should stay mostly dry but steamy with highs in the low 90s as those winds start to pick up out of the south. Storms will continue for Tuesday and Wednesday along a boundary. That boundary over North Texas will be the focus point of some heavy rain and thunderstorms during the daytime hours, and then later on tonight is when those thunderstorms will start firing up and pushing toward southeast Texas. You can see that the severe weather threat for today increases the further north and northwest you go. That's where the ingredients look to be more favorable for some hail and some damaging winds. Can't rule out the potential for some rotating thunderstorms as well. That severe weather threat is ongoing for Tuesday and also well into Wednesday. So please be prepared for some strong to severe thunderstorms to develop over the next several days. So let's take a look at future track. You can see some heavy rain and thunderstorms do develop and push in our direction, but it mainly stays well to our north in our far northern counties. So basically north of Montgomery County, that's where things could be very active during the early part of the afternoon. And then as we get closer toward 8-9 o'clock or so, there will be a storm complex moving toward the hill country, and it's those thunderstorms that will be blowing toward the Houston area late tonight and during the overnight hours. Now, there are signs that first thing Tuesday morning, things could be very messy as many of you head back to work on Tuesday. Showers and thunderstorms could be very widespread and then slowly start to diminish late in the morning and during the afternoon hours. So may see most of those heavy rain and thunderstorms front-loaded during the first half of the day. On Tuesday, rainfall totals between now and let's say Tuesday night, looking for anywhere between 1 to 2 inches will be common, but you can see those higher pockets of rain, especially toward the coastline and even out in our far western counties, over 3 inches will be possible. So the flood risk is with us beginning late tonight into tomorrow morning as that large swath of rain moves in our direction, and then potentially staying north of Interstate 10 on Tuesday and then spreading a little bit further to the east, which does include the Houston area by the middle of the week. Afternoon temperatures this afternoon anywhere in the low to mid 90s. Meanwhile, overnight lows will be falling somewhere into the 70s. A few spots in our northern counties will be somewhere in the mid to upper 60s. We're not done with the rain yet. Thursday, Friday, those rain chances still between 30 to 40%. Does look like the weekend is showing some drier conditions with afternoon highs in the mid to upper 80s. But of course, those feels like temperatures still in the mid to upper 90s. All right, that's a look at your forecast on this Memorial Day. Thank you for watching.